I will break this introduction in three major parts: components, installation, and configuration. So, first of all, let's get familiar what's inside of this box. The main part of this box is the lift unit. That is the brain of the system. It reads signal from the controller and sends it to call center by streaming this information through the Ethernet, GSM, Wi-Fi, PSTN, or radio frequency, whatever you have in place for main communication. Next one is power cable. It plugs lift unit to electrical source. We'll discuss how to connect lift unit to power source later in the installation video. Also, we have RS232 cable, which links lift unit with the main board on the controller. The cable allows to power communication between main source and lift unit. There's also communication terminals. They are to establish communication in case of emergency between call center, an elevator cab, machine room and a cab, and the last one is machine room to call center, whatever necessity you have. I would recommend personally to purchase these pre-wired harnesses. Those communication already set to install. They're all labeled. It saves you some hustle during installation. And the last parts are two magnets. It needs to be placed on the door in the machine room. When the door opens, it breaks contacts and a signal will be sent to a call center informing that someone entered the machine room. Those are parts. When you get the box, please check everything in place. If something is missing, let us know and we'll fix it. So that's all for this part of introduction. My name is Alex Surkov, Lift Technique. Thank you for watching this video. This is the second part of our presentation, pre-installation and pre-wiring. So we start with the two magnetic blocks, which actually we put on the machine room door. So I'll show you how to install this. It's already pre-installed in this machine room, so you could see how to make all arrangements for this. Okay? So we start pre-installation with two magnetic blocks, which we place on the main entrance in the machine room. So we need to keep the clearance between those two blocks and keep the circuit closed. When we open the door, circuit is assigned to the controller. Also, you can now listen to the signal and running into the terminal, which I've shown before. Okay? Next one is a power cable. So I'm going to show you how to connect the power cable to a controller. The other side of the power cable goes into power unit. You can see black, blue and brown here. Green connection ground. Blue we have 20 here and the black one. They connect to this unit on the controller. Our next step is communication cable RS232. This is our link from the main board and controller to the lift unit. So one side of the cable is where we're going to place the lift unit. You can see it. The other side of RS232 cable running through the hole goes and connected here on the main board. To establish communication between call center and elevator cab and the machine room, we need to wire communication terminals right here. This wire communication terminal, this how it's settings for. To install this properly, you need to use your schematics for particular, for your control. All the wires from the communication terminal runs into the settings. You have here call, speakers, and microphone. So you just hook it up and according to your schematics.
Что делаем?
As I said before, I would recommend to purchase this pre-wired harnesses. All the terminals already wired and labeled. So you can see here calls and microphones, speakers, they're all wired, so it's very handy. So before putting a lift unit on the side of the controller, we need to make a preparation. We have to drill 2 holes, 4 hangers, and 1 hole to run the cables through. Place the lift unit on the side of the controller. Now we can see that lift unit is in place and we're ready to hook up all cables we have hanging here. First we plug the power. The first one is a power cable. Hook that. Next one is an RS communication cable. Next one is communication terminals. And the last one is Ethernet. This is the last stage of installation. Lift unit is in place, everything is connected, so let's see if we can power the elevator. So now it's running all the settings, checking the controller. And it's done. That's it. This lift unit is ready for operation. The next stage is configuration of software. This one is the last part, configuration, and easiest part, because we do configure your system for you. We configure all the elevators in the system, we put them in the system, we install your computer. So the only thing we need is the information about your elevators, your equipment, you're going to monitor. So for me, we need state, county, city, building number, whatever you want to, how you want to set it, it's it's for your choice. So the only thing is we need the way you want in configuration. That's it. I will simulate for you after the look in the call center. This over there. That was a presentation for installation of our elevator monitoring system Helium 6 Pro. My name is Alex Technic. Thank you for watching this video.